Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, we're gonna do another one on the 2020 Dodge Scatpack, the Challenger. But you guys know the rules on this one. You gotta share, like, subscribe, pass it on to your friends, make comments down below, and we'll get to you. So now, we did the one run on it when it was at the dealership. So we're gonna go over this car in more detail. And yes, unfortunately, we still have, we're gonna view an update on the marks that were on the side of it. But things are a little different on it because Sal put the Van Halen wrap on the hood. This was done, what, like a week after you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 2 weeks.
It's not really a wrap, it's just vinyl striping.
Right. So we'll give you the rundown on it, but I figure we'll go over the outside of the car. And then a lot of them with this wing, some guys are keen on it, some guys aren't. When Sal first got the car, he wasn't sure if he liked it, but now it's grown on him. To leave a comment down below if you guys actually like it or not.
Yeah, I really like the spoiler now.
Yeah, he wasn't sure on it. He wasn't even sure if he wanted to change out the black gas cap.
Yeah, but I like that too now.
Yeah, now he's falling in love with all the stuff.
Yeah.
But this had the 6.4 liter Hemi, 500 horse, and as you can tell, this is the Super B package. So it's got a better suspension from the GT, better motor, better powertrain. The other one was all-wheel drive, but this one's better.
It's got everything better.
It's got everything better in it, yeah. It's basically night and day.
Big time.
So, yeah, it's got... Yeah, because the other one only had the one scoop, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this one's...
Yeah, this is the
more breathable.
Yeah, this is the Hellcat hood.
The Hellcat hood, yeah.
I started putting a Hellcat hood on the Scatpacks now.
Yeah.
I think it looks really nice.
So as you can see, the brakes that they're using on it,
Brembo.
These are nice and, yeah, the Brembo with the slotted rotors. Way better package. Car's got launch control, launch assist, way better rear end. See, the GT unfortunately only has a little over 300 horses, but it's all-wheel drive, so it makes it heavy, and the floor pans are actually different. So we'll go over some things in the interior. If you want to open the other door, because we're going to start roasting in it, because it is basically about 90 degrees. Oh yeah, a couple little things he added on it.
Yeah, it's a balmy 84 degrees.
Yeah, he put the Challenger still plates on it, which is nice. It's got the Super B logo on the seats, and it's nice having like the suede, so when you're sitting in it, you don't sweat to death in it and stick to the seat.
Yeah, they're cooled and heated seats.
Yeah, cooled and heated seats, which are nice. The SRT floor mats. So now, go over more of the interior.
I put the Super B logo.
Yeah, if you can kind of see it, he's got the Super B logos underneath the doors. When you open the doors, you can still shine on the ground at night. So, yeah, this one is a way better package. Way, way better. More features, more horsepower, more gas, but who cares? So what we'll do is...
Yeah, obviously we don't buy them for gas mileage.
No, you don't buy these cars for gas mileage.
Oh.
Actually, I want you to turn the dashboard on with the... Huh? Not start it, but turn everything on. Well, actually, yeah, you can start it. Why not? Because this... I'm trying to get that to light up.
You want me to turn the radio down?
Yeah, you gotta turn the radio off.
What do you want me to do?
Actually, remember how it showed you all the...
Yeah, I gotta wait for it to come up.
Yeah, it'll come up.
The gauges.
All the gauges, it'll show you everything. It's got everything. It'll tell you 0 to 6. Tell you 0 to 60.
SRT mode.
Yeah.
Or sport mode.
Yeah, it gives you everything. Yeah, because this will give you G-forces and everything. I gotta wait for it to load.
Love that beefy sound.
Oh yeah, you can feel the car shake.
Oh yeah, it's great.
There you go, 392. But it is, it's nice that it's all blacked out in here. A little bit of silver in it. Oh yeah, that's for your Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's got two microphones.
Yeah.
which is nice.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
It's loading still. Takes a second.
She's taking her time.
There we go. So there you go. It'll tell you everything. Your 0 to 60 time, your G-forces, your engine. What else does it have in it? Because it's got some other modes in here too.
With timers. I don't really
Got your
care.
timer for 0 to 60.
Yeah, I don't really care about none of that.
Just yet.
Just gauges. Yeah, just yet.
Here's your gauges, your oil temp, oil pressure.
I got 2 pages of gauges. Air intake.
Air intake. 120 degrees.
Back.
Your oil temp.
There's the G-force.
Yeah, that you're not going to see anything until you drive.
And then I got engine.
Yeah.
We'll go back to the home screen.
Actually, if we took the car and we just went around the parking lot really fixed with the G-forces, it'll show it.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. We'll take a quick fly around the parking lot here. Gotta bring the G-forces up though.
Yep. Hold please. Okay. No, we don't really.
Now we're in the parking lot. Yeah, we got to the other end of the parking lot really quick.
Like about 5 seconds.
Not even. Seatbelts? What seatbelts?
Oops. It's alright. Let's see.
Actually, no. Open the hood on it.
Okay.
There we go. Now it's nice and clean compared to the last time when we first got it from the dealership. I still love these cup holders.
Yeah.
But that
it
is...
was terrible when I picked it up.
Yeah. But this is all naturally aspirated Hemi. 6.4 liter.
What I want to do down the road is I want to paint these, preferably the same color as the car. I want to do torrent red. I think I'm going to leave the silver on there along with the torrent red. I think it'll look good. You know, paint the manifold heads.
Well, these aren't manifold heads. These are just covers for all your...
valve covers, rather.
No, they're not valve covers.
Yeah, they are.
No, these aren't valve covers. Nope, these are just covers. They're just covers for all your coil packs. These valve covers are rolled out.
Anyways, I'm going to paint them.
I'm going to paint them. Yeah. Here's your intake. Hey, you even got some purple drink in case you get thirsty.
No, say it again. Don't drink it.
Don't drink it,
I would
yeah.
suggest that you not
Yeah,
drink
do not
it.
drink that stuff. You will get very sick. But the cool part about it is you got your intake right there, your air intakes. You got both of them or just the one? That's on both. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go in there and rev it up a couple times so I can record it. There you go. Nice bright red. It's a Sal Amenities car. Look up his channel, SCUBSCRIBERS, all original music. He's got some good stuff. How's this, boys and girls? We get 1,000 subscribers, each of us. He will roast the hell out of these tires.
I'll roast them down to the rim.
Yeah, exactly.
1,000 subscribers each for both of us.
For both of us. We'll shred those things.
I'll roast them to the rim. Plus,
you guys
on my
heard that.
channel, I'm giving away a brand new guitar.
Oh, yeah.
My 1,000 subscriber will get a brand new Ibanez G10 guitar. I'm going to do a follow-up video on that later on down the road, guys, and give you a little more information on that one, okay? But you got to be in it to win it.
Yep. If you don't subscribe, you're not entered.
That's right.
You guys heard it. You got to subscribe to his channel. You got to subscribe to both of our channels.
That's
nice.
right.
So if you subscribe to our channels, you know, we're just trying to get ourselves monetized. If he gets himself to 1,000, he's also not just going to roast them off, he's going to do a guitar giveaway.
That's right, and I'll ship it anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the
you're
world.
at.
You guys got it.
And the freight's on me. I'll pay for the shipping.
There you go. The freight's on him. So you guys heard it. So subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.